So the topic of today's video is equations of circles, and our objectives for this one: I can write the equation of a circle from the graph of a circle, or I can graph a circle given the equation or given the center of the circle and another point on the circle. So if we take a look, the standard equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and hk is the point, the center of our circle. We see in our diagram it's hk. H is the x value, x coordinate, and k is the y value, and r is the radius of the circle. So if we take a look at an example, we want to write the equation of a circle with the given information. The center is at the point -2, 3, and we have a radius of 4. So our h is -2 and our k is 3. So x, if we subtract a -2, becomes addition. So x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals our radius squared. Our radius is 4, so it is 16. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and graph this circle with the equation of x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 9. So our center is at the point -2, 3. Oops, let's try that again. -2, 3, because we have the x plus 2, so we go over 2, up 3, and that is our center. And our radius is the square root of 9, and that is 3, so our radius is 3. So if we want to plot points on the circle with a radius of 3, we just move 3 points to the left. So 1, 2, 3, right there, plot a point. 3 up, 1, 2, 3 to the left. Oops, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 down. Go ahead and draw your circle in. Hopefully it's a little better shaped than that, but make sure it's curved. It's not just going to be a diamond. Try your best. We understand you're not going to necessarily have a compass, but try your best to make it look like a circle. Okay, another one, we have the equation x squared plus y squared equals 49. So if we have x minus h, there's no h here, so our h is 0 and our k is 0 as well, because we just have y squared. So our center is at 0, 0. And our radius is the square root of 49. So our radius equals 7. So our center, right at the origin, 0, 0. So we have a radius of 7, so we need to move 7 points in 4 directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's pretty easy when we're at the center. We just go up to 7 on both directions of both axes. So we have our points. Now we draw our circle in. And it should look something like that. And again, don't worry if it's not a perfect circle. Okay, so here we want to write the equation of a circle. We're given the center point is -3, 5, and we have a point on the circle at 1, 8. So what we know for our equation is going to be x plus 3, because we have a -3, so it's addition, squared, plus our k is positive here, positive 5, so it is y minus 5 squared equals r squared. Now to find our radius, we're going to have to use the distance formula. And we remember the distance formula, d equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So to find the distance between our 2 points, we have the square root, I'm going to say, of negative 3 minus 1 squared, those are our 2x values, plus 5 minus 8 squared. So negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4 squared, and 5 minus 8 is negative 3 squared. So we have the square root of 16 plus 9. That equals the square root of 25. So that equals 5. So our equation is, if we just plug this back in for our r squared up here, our r is 5, so 5 squared is 25. So our equation for this circle is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 25. Okay, to review, standard equation of a circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where hk is the center of our circle and r is the radius of the circle. When we're graphing, we want to first find the center and the radius length, and then we graph the center and use the radius to plot other points around the circle. Okay, make sure to go online, do your reflection, answer a couple questions, ask any questions you might have, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Thanks.